Hello everyone, welcome to Santoshi's kitchen. Today I'm going to make Kadai Paneer. Kadai means wok and Paneer means Indian cheese. This dish is Indian cheese cooked in a creamy red sauce. Heat a pan, add 2 dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Dry roast the spices until they turn dark brown in color. Add 1 cup of cubed onion, 1 cup of chopped tomato, and 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste in a food processor and blend into a smooth puree. Blend the dry roasted spices into a coarse powder. Heat the heavy bottom pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil and half a stick of butter. When the butter melts, add the dry roasted spice powder and fry in low heat for 1 minute. Add the onion and tomato puree into the pan. Add half a teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon kasoorimethi powder, and half teaspoon salt. Cook the contents in medium heat until oil starts to ooze out from the sauce. Add 1/4 cup of water, 2 cups of cubed paneer, and 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Close the pan with the lid and cook the contents in medium heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the heat. Delicious Kadai Paneer is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Santoshi's kitchen is dedicated to empowering everyone to cook.